Here my boys. Here my boys. Here my boys. Being silly boys. Oh, Trumpy's on the munchie. Trumpy bot. Munchie bot. How you doing, Munchkin bot? Huh? I do my little silly boy. I do your little silly butt, you. Big gooey kitty. Big gooey kitty. Big gooey kitty. Ooh. Hi there, kitty. Hi there, big kitty. Come here. Where's that kitty going? You're going out already? There's our trumpet boy. And there's our trumpet boy. Big silly kitty. Big silly kitty. Ooh. Love that big kitty. Love that big kitty. Silly boy. You're my big silly kitty. Look like a big silly kitty. What? Kind of big silly boy. I think I'm my big silly Trumpy. That's a big silly Trumpy. Yeah. Oh, Trumpy, puppy, but big Trumpy, puppy, but big Trumpy, puppy, but ooh, yeah. Big silly boy. Ooh, like that big kitty. Like that big kitty. Yeah. Big gooey guy. Purring bot. Purring bot. Yeah. Big jumper bot. He's a big jumper bot. Yeah, that's a big guy. Uh-huh. Yes, you are. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitties. Yeah, gooey guy. What? Ooh. Ooh. Big gooey. Okay, I'm gonna go make coffee. Get your food. Silly boy. Come here, silly kitty. There's our munchkie bunchkie. There's our munchkie bunchkie. He running away. Oh, you silly bot. Mutt, silly bot. Mutt, silly bot. Oh, he is up on the counter. Yeah, they're just ready to eat, huh, silly boys? Okay, just a second. Ready to go out, Trumpy bot? I know where the mountain bot went. Oh, here he comes. He heard the door. Here he is. It'll be nice out today. There you go. There you go, big kitty. There we are. My lanai boys. Silly bots. Poor kitty cat. She didn't give him no milky.
No, I mean.
Yeah, poor kitty. Tickle his ribs. Tickle the kitty. Tickle the chest. Tickle the belly. You only got one belly and chest today. You silly boy. Ooh, silly boy. Ooh, gooey kitty. Kitty, 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 love that kitty. Ooh, ooh, a table kitty purring bags. I feel that purring outside. Ooh, yes I do. Purring up a storm. Yes it is. And purring up a storm. Look at that kitty cat. Look at that cute face. He says, I know I'm king of the hill. I'm king of the hill, I know. Yeah. You and Trumpy both think you're king of the hills. Yeah. Silly boy. Goofy butt. What, my little butt? I feel you digging at the table, you goofy, goofy, goofy kitty cat. Yeah, stinker-dinker-do, I love you. What? What? What that little butt want? What my little butt want? Tickle those ears, tickle those ears, tickle those ears. Yeah, little butt, 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 butt. Purring machine, purring machine. That's what you are. That's what you are. Ooh. Goofy goo. Goofy goo. Let that go. Ooh. Tickle the side. Tickle that side. Tickle that side. Oh, he's eating the mama. He nibbled on the mama. He nibbled on his mama. He gave me a love nibble. He gave me love nibbles, love nibble. Whoop. Well, you silly butt. Goofy butt. Goofy butt. Goofy butt. Silly boy. Ooh. Look at my musky being a brave baby. Yeah. Usually when somebody says you run and hide. I know Trumpy does too. Goofy, 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 goo. Being a brave butt. So what's going on? What's going on, big kitty? Oops. Someone in your house, Muskie. I know you know. Huh?
You got a picture of that, and I needed to see how they wanted, what they wanted me to clean it with.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
It's there, honey.
What's his name? Who's that?
I like how they use all natural stuff, like that Therahome and all that.
Yeah. That's because it works. Honey draws out poison.
That's why I love that turmeric and the.
I think honey draws the poison out. Ooh. Brave kitty cat. You mean the brave boy? Yeah. Silly boy, silly boy. Silly boy, silly boy. Silly boy, silly boy. My bunkie was a brave little boy. Came out while the visiting nurse was here. Yeah. And you didn't even run away when she was talking to Sharon. You silly boy, you were a brave baby. Yes, you were. Yeah, she's gone now. She went home. Or to another patient. She went to go see another patient probably. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh 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 ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, unfortunately, tomorrow would have been when Tim went in the hospital. Yeah.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah, so if I still have it, I'm going to get to the doctors. I'll just tell her. What the nurse
Oh, the visiting nurse, when you go to the doctors, you have a new Band-Aid on because she'll be your money. Aunt Fawns shoe holder has to meet the approval. He thinks it's a cat stand.
That is so cute.
Trumpy boy, you silly boy.
I know.
That's Aunt Fawns' shoe rack, not a Trumpy rack. But do you think Trumpy's going to lay on one shelf and Bunchy's going to lay on the other? Huh? Silly boy. You got silly kitty.
I know, yeah.
You silly Trumpy, goofy guy. Ooh.
Silly
Oh, he's gonna make himself
Squeeze
at
it,
home on
squeeze
the
it, squeeze
shoe
it,
rack.
squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
I thought Mommy put this together for me.
I got that boy good.
Yeah, I put it together for Aunt Fawns, not for Trumpy, but
He's alright. When he moves, I'll get it. No biggie.
silly boy. My silly boy's eating din din. Past their din din time, they were letting me know. Yep, goofy guys. See anything out there, Trumpy? Goofabot? Big kitty? No, I guess I'll just lay down. Okay.